Strike it now!
Strike it now! We already double checked. Oh, is it cooling? And just tap that edge, make sure.
You guys are troopers. Those are some grips right there. They've earned their title.
That's what we live for, man.
Can't you bungee it down or something?
The sideways wind. And a 20-foot. I just noticed. Wave. Not any road.
Oh my gosh. That is dedication.
All this, same bags, garage. Rain covers, and we're gonna go to this garage.
Here, you want to do this? I want to see what's going on upstairs.
Before you go upstairs, make sure someone's out with the tent with the rest of the equipment. There was one power supply still in a case out there. That's the only thing touching the ground that would need to be done with.
I'm going out there right now.
Alright.
Hey, I'm Bay. Look at out. Okay. Somebody with gloves, touch it.
Good job. Here, I got this. Right. Nice. Burning water.
There you go.
Oh, good, thank you. I got the laser button.
Right.
Is there anything else out here?
We'll need to take the power source in.
Alright, yeah. Get the disc jump thing.
Don't take the top off.
Coming through.
Alright, electrical cords in.
Somebody hit the lights.
Lights.
Oh! Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
Sit in the bathtub?
Hey, close. Garage. Where? Can you grab that clip? Thank you. Garage.
Let me throw a towel in there real quick so it's dry.
Watch. Watch happening. It's dry. 10 houses down.
Dude, we're completely soaked.
Okay.
Alright. I'll get you some clothes.
This is our producer. Line producer. That's in their job description.
Yeah, this is actually what I got hired for.
Throw the power supply in there. We can disconnect the cords.
Yeah.
These ones bigger than ants.
You want the pimps?
Alright, come on guys, you're getting water everywhere.
I'll stand in the garage. Did they get the footage they need?
Don't try it. They're still working on that scene. We're gonna set up an LED where the HMI was, and
You got a towel?
I have a towel.
Okay. Alright. If anybody's got wet shoes, take them off. If anybody's got wet shoes, take them off.
Wet shoes on.
Let's everybody clean up. If you have wet shoes, take them off. Everybody get ready to shoot. We're gonna start shooting again in 15 minutes. I think we're good.
15 minutes, and I asked if it was one more than 14 minutes, and then he said 10 minutes. And now he's saying, well, we have to check the sundial, but we can't check the sundial because it's raining outside. So when are we starting? An hour? What? Say?
We're not talking to Tyler.
So we're gonna have that exterior in 5 minutes.
yeah, can we have Dolly set up?
That's not AA.
Use your manly voice!
AA!
I'm graduated! It's a rain dance! It's okay, it's religious!
This is our unit production manager.
Okay, we're attempting reverse psychology out here. We could use your help. Everyone talk about how it's gonna rain really hard and never ever let up.
Nobody can blame her for her positive mental attitude. Are you guys good? Grips? I need shoes. So let me... You know where to find them more than I do.
I'm supposed to be out there.
Wow.
With all of our equipment. Yeah, it kind of rained.
Quiet on set. Ready audio. Ready camera.
And mark it. Roll 3, scene 62C, take 1.